Okay, this is Jessica with our 260 PFAFF automatic vintage machine, and we're going to work on getting it up and running again. Okay, first of all, usually it's these knobs, this dog feed lever that usually is seized with a needle position. This has already been disassembled, that's why it's moving. And it affects the needle position and the zigzag and the feed dog lever. And it comes from seized wax that was put on it that just eventually got hard and brittly, and people not oiling their machines or using them and just storing them. So, first of all, this is the Pfaff 260. And later we'll get into rebuilding the tension knob. But today we're going to work on, this just pops off. It has two pressure knobs that you just pull off. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And on the front, which will make it easier for you, there's a little screw right here that you unscrew, and it takes there you go. And you take that off, and that gives that access and this access, and we're going to set these to the side, and we're going to look at this apparatus. This is the Zig-Zag automatic. It has built-in cams, and like I've said, I've already taken this apart to make it quicker for you guys. It has a screw here, has two smaller screws right here, one here and one here, and it has a top piece, actually several of them. Give me a second.